To set up your Axie Infinity Ronin wallet, start by going to the Ronin wallet website and clicking on Download. Then select the correct operating system for your device. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the prompts to install the Ronin wallet. After installation, launch the Ronin wallet and click on Create a new wallet. Then agree to the terms of service and create a strong password. It is crucial to remember your password and seed phrase as they will be used to recover your wallet, in case it is lost or stolen. Next, write down your seed phrase and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet. The seed phrase is a list of words that will be used to restore your wallet, so make sure to keep it confidential and secure. Now, set up your wallet by adding a name and selecting the correct network, which in this case is the Ronin network. You can then send and receive assets, such as Axie Infinity tokens, by using the Send and Receive buttons. To add an account, go to the Accounts tab and click on Add Account. Then enter the account name and select the correct type of account. You can also import an existing account by using the Import Account button. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your device and wallet up to date. Use strong passwords, and be cautious of phishing scams. Regularly back up your wallet and store the backup in a secure location. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely set up your Axie Infinity Ronin wallet and start using it to send and receive assets. Remember to always keep your seed phrase and password secure and confidential to prevent any potential losses.